YouTube, what's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. I got something really super dope. I'm doing a his and hers jacket, and man, it's gonna come out super crazy because I can already envision it because I am Sauce, and I know it's gonna come out super saucy. So man, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm about to do. You just follow along, check it out. Hey, let's get to it. This is how I make my patterns. So I am taking an existing jacket of mine that I actually use for patterning sometime, but I'm resizing it down to match a jacket for my fiance so she can actually have one like mine. So I took her measurements and I am sizing this down to the exact size that she is. So hopefully I hit this on the head. Other than that, it's going to look like she's rocking a Gordon Gartrell, if y'all know where that came from. So check me out. This is how I do it. Follow along. Hey, comment below if you want to know anything, and I'll surely get back at you. But until then, just enjoy the ride. Let's go. Now that I got all the right measurements for her, as you've seen, I'm doing it on this paper, because when you do it on this paper, you can actually make your separate cuts. You can make any adjustments that you need. You can resize. You can make a different design. And this is why I think this is so cool. This is when you can actually be as creative as you want to be. But as you're seeing right now, I'm just cutting it out. So, hey, rock with me. Right here, I'm just resizing sleeves on this pattern so I can resize and make the exact cuts that I need to actually fit her properly. One important thing, if you actually using paper like this, you actually want to have something heavy, like these little magnets that I'm actually holding it down with. Pick these up from, I believe, Home Depot in the hardware department, and they work perfectly. You get as many as you need, and you put them on each side of the pattern to hold it down, so you can actually outline it and trace it, and you can make your proper cuts. And this worked perfectly. Like I said, if you need some of these, just go to Home Depot, hardware department, you'll find them. Now that I got the pattern all cut out, I am just making my lining, as you can see. So basically it's nothing but a rinse, wash, and repeat on all the steps. And if you do it right, everything will come out perfect. But like I said, if it don't, try again. But always make sure you have enough fabric just in case if you make any mistakes, if this is the first time that you're trying this. But if you're a veteran and you're a pro, then you know what to do already. Let's go. I really do think this is a critical and important step of making your jacket, the inside panel pieces, to actually make them look uniform and actually finished off. I do them this way so they always get a super clean look. The excess fabric, you cut it off and you attach the same fabric as the jacket onto them, so when you open up the jacket it looks so finished and so clean. Right here I'm just showing you how I make my pockets, how I sew them, how I attach them, and everything like that. So basically it's self-explanatory. If you're looking at the video and you've seen some of my other previous videos that I really wanted details on how I make them, then you already know. But if you're new to the channel, just check this out or go back and click on one of my old videos that I really go into details how I actually make them and install my pockets. Thank you. So now I'm just showing you, this is how I cut my pocket hole out for the pocket. As you can see, my pocket is fully complete. Everything is sewn and serged together. So I'm just showing you how I attach my pocket. Now with this, the way the pattern is, you really want to make sure everything is lined up and looking complete, because you could be thrown off and things can look very thrown off. And in this point, placement is key, very critical and key right now. But this is how I do it. I will pin it and then I will sew it down, and you'll see that next part. So don't forget, I am working on 2 jackets simultaneously. I'm working on her jacket and my jacket, but this is the part where I'm going to be embroidering the sleeves of the jacket. I did the front panel piece and the back, but if you are really interested into how to embroider and what products I use, just drop me a comment below. Let me know. I'll do a whole video on it in details. I'll let you know how I do my embroideries and what machine I use, and you know how I got started if you want to see that kind of stuff. Right here, I'm just showing you how I attach the front panel pieces to the back panel pieces to make one complete jacket. You always want to start at the shoulder seam. That's how I started, and it always come out amazing. Hey, if y'all really having a difficult time actually getting them sleeves installed, this is the way that I do it. It helps me out every time and I never have a problem. I just go from one end to the other with the whole body of the jacket fully open, and then I just pin all the way around and then I sew. Once the jacket is fully pinned in, it should look like this. As you can tell, pinned from end to end. And then after that, you just sew and serge and keep it rocking and rolling. So now that it's fully pinned in, you can see how it looks. But the jacket is still not complete. Now we got to take the two ends right here, hold them together and pin them. And then at the bottom, put them together and sew.
So now the project is done. Let's get the B-roll and let's see how it looks. And at the end, you give me an opinion. Hey, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bells because it do not count if we don't turn the post notifications on, man. Okay? Now let's get to it.
Ay, 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 go crazy. Ay, 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 yeah, go crazy. Got picked twice a day, my type of 2 a days. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got new shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was 2 of me. And I'm like, if I'm not, then what's the real deal? I've been up and down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at it since a church. Work, 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 work. Told little baby, make it twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Ay, 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 go crazy. Yeah, ay, 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 go crazy. Bro, pass me the rock. I've been moving out the box. Top speed going top. 101 going pop. Getting hot, hot, hot. In the paint, never flop. At the rim like who? Get the crown like Brian. Yeah. Make it some and I'm spending some. What's the plan? Bet I get it done. It's me, yeah, neighborhood. It's me, yeah, give me some. Wifey icy, yeah, freezer. New friends, I don't need them. Checks coming by the spins. Kids eating off the reruns. If I'm not, then what's the real deal? I've been up and down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at it since a church. Work, 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 work. Told little baby, make it twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Ay, 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 go crazy. Yeah, ay, 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 go crazy.
Oh my God, so what you think about that one? What y'all think? Don't tell me now. Tell me in the comments. Drop a comment. Hey, if I hit that or I missed that, let your boy know. I just want to know from you. And if I could do better, let me know. But I don't think I can because I'm sauce and I don't know. So I'm up here and that's how I feel. But anywho, like I was saying, I'm just so happy that everybody is still rocking with me, that's rocking with your boy, and tuning into my channel to see all the fashion things that I'm doing on this channel here, man, and all the things that I'm going to do in the future. And I'm still going to be dropping content as much as I can, when I can, straight up. That's my daughter in the next room. Anyway, never stop striving, never stop dreaming. Never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!